Managing the visibility of components is an important part of designing a mobile app. There may be times when you want certain elements to stand out more, appear less prominent, or blend into the background until they're needed. In Thunkable, one way to control how visible a component appears is by adjusting its opacity settings. In this video, I'll show you how to find and modify a component's opacity directly within the editor. Start by opening Thunkable in your web browser and signing into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, locate the project you want to work on and open it. This will take you to the project's editing workspace, where you can view and customize your app. After your project loads, navigate to the screen that contains the component you want to modify. This could be a button, image, label, text input field, or any other element that has been added to your app. Once you've found the component, click on it to select it. When a component is selected, Thunkable displays its properties and settings in a panel located on the right side of the editor. This panel contains various options that allow you to customize the appearance and behavior of the selected element. With a component selected, move your attention to the right-hand Properties panel. Scroll down through the available settings until you find the option labeled Opacity. This setting controls how transparent or visible the component appears on the screen. When the opacity value is set to its highest level, the component appears fully visible. As you lower the opacity, the component gradually becomes more transparent. This can be useful when creating layer designs, highlighting important elements, or reducing the visual emphasis of certain components without removing them entirely. Try adjusting the opacity value and observe the changes in the app preview. You'll notice that the component updates immediately, allowing you to see exactly how different settings affect its appearance. This real-time feedback makes it easy to experiment until you achieve the look you're aiming for. Opacity can be particularly useful in a variety of design situations. For example, you might reduce the opacity of a background image so that text placed on top remains easy to read. You could also create subtle visual effects by making icons or decorative elements slightly transparent. In some cases, designers use opacity adjustments to indicate inactive or disabled states for certain features. As you continue developing your app, you'll likely find that small visual adjustments can have a significant impact on the overall user experience. Even a slight change in opacity can help create a cleaner layout, improve readability, and make important elements stand out more effectively. Take some time to test different opacity levels and see how they affect the overall appearance of your screen. Since every app has a unique design style, the ideal setting may vary depending on your layout, color choices, and intended user experience. Once you're happy with the result, save your project and preview the app to make sure the component looks the way you want across different screens and devices. And that's how you can change component visibility using the opacity setting in Thunkable. Simply open your project, select an element, scroll through the right side Properties panel, and adjust the opacity value to control how visible or transparent the component appears within your app.